Hey y'all, welcome back to my 13 days of Halloween. For today's look, I am doing Freddy Krueger, and it was actually pretty easy to do. It was just very tedious and time consuming with all of the silicone and the shading, but I really like how it turned out. So I am going to be putting silicone all over my face, so I wanted to protect my brows, so I'm covering them with glue. I'm just using a regular Elmer's glue stick, and then I'm going to put setting powder on top. So this is the same silicone mixture that I used on my Snow White video, but just in case you missed that, it is by Third Degree, and y'all, this stuff is amazing. You mix two different parts, and it is just so easy to use, and it is so easy to take off, which is probably the best part about it, because Halloween makeup can be very aggravating to get off. This literally just peels right off. So I'm just putting it all over my face. I do have a picture of Freddy Krueger pulled up on my phone so I can kind of make the holes look like his and see where I need to build up the silicone and all that. So I'm just going to spend quite a bit of time putting this all over my face. And this is me not knowing if this is going to work out or not, because I came up with this idea. Not saying no one else has done it, but all the ones that I saw, they drew all of the scars and tendons and all that. And I'm not the best at shading, so I thought this way would be easier for me. And I'm actually pretty happy how it turned out. So I did go down on my neck a little bit, but to be honest with y'all, I was running out of silicone and I didn't want to use all of it completely because it is a little pricey for little jars. Since I use this all over my face, it did dry pretty quick. So you do want to make sure it dries before you start putting stuff on it, because it is a little bit sticky and kind of moves around if it's not completely dry. But I mentioned in my Snow White video that I wasn't sure if this came in other colors, and it does. So they do have a flesh tone, but the one I got was clear. So I'm just going over it with my foundation to make it blend in and look like skin. So I didn't really have a paint plan, so I thought it would be easiest just to start filling in all the holes with red. And now I'm filling in my eyes, doing my eyelid, and right underneath with that same red paint. And I do end up going back in with the silicone and putting more over my eyebrows to have less of my eye socket showing. And I'm still filling in with the red. After I finished with all of the red paint, I did go in with black and add some dimension to all of the holes. And I don't know if it was because I spent so long on it and I just kept looking at it, but I couldn't figure out what was missing. And I sent a picture to my husband and he was like, you need a little bit more dimension on the skin part. So now I'm just taking a fluffy brush with some brown paint and just going over the entire face. I know, Freddy's hat is brown, but I didn't have one that looked like his. This is the closest I had. I could have swore I had his hat from this costume because I had the hand and everything, but no telling where it is. That's why I didn't buy another one, but this one works fine. And here I'm just going back in with the red paint just to brighten up where I might have gotten the brown paint over it, and that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss my other looks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow for another Halloween look.